Welcome to Juli Atelier channel, and this is Iuliia Dmukh. I have several pictures of angels in vintage style, so why not to make a beautiful Christmas angel together? We also need white cardboard with glitter, transparent fabric or white lace ribbon, needle and thread, thin ribbon and decorative elements, scissors and super glue. First, we cut out the necessary element, trace the silhouette of the angel on the cardboard with glitter, and also cut out this detail, like I am making now. We also trace a small pattern blank for the base of the white cardboard and cut it out also. Then we should collect a fabric about 10 centimeters wide and 50 centimeters long on a needle and thread, making soft folds, just like that. And please don't forget to tie a knot in the thread, just to keep it. Then we glue the base for the body and fix the fabric on it, wrapping it in a circle like this. The next step, we should glue angel's face on the top. And then we should put some drops of glue to the back and attach a ribbon so you can hang the ornament on your Christmas tree. So then we will fix a thin ribbon. And the last step, we should put decorative element. I used snowflake bottom, but you can use paper flower or something else. So our angel in winter style is ready.